Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet the Lucifer flower. Subscribe to us if you like our videos. And check our shop to find out more crochet projects. These are the materials we need. Part 1. Petal. To make a petal, we need to prepare a 20 cm wire first. Put it aside. We'll use it later. Take out the yarn. Make a slip knot first. Chain 14. This is our foundation chain. Insert hook into the second chain from the hook. Take out the wire. Put it on the hook and under the working yarn. You may bend the extra wire down so it won't bother your hand. Yarn over and pull through. Then the wire is caught by yarn. Make a single crochet stitch. Make 4 more single crochets. Then, half double crochet in the next chain. Make 5 double crochets in the following stitches. After that, half double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the last chain. Pull the loop up. Let's adjust the wire. Bend it in half. Put the hook back and keep crocheting. Chain 1. Work into these 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through both of them. Make a slip knot. This is called 1 chain picot stitch. Make another single crochet in the last chain. Then, we'll work on the other side of the chain. Make a half double crochet. Crochet with the tail to hide it in stitches. Make 5 double crochets. After that, half double crochet in the next chain. Make 5 single crochets. In the end, slip stitch in the first stitch of this round. Fasten it off. Weave in the yarn ends. Cut off the extra yarn. Make 6 petals for 1 flower. Part 2. Stamen. To make the stamens, we don't need to use a hook. Prepare a piece of 12 cm wire. Take out the yarn. Pinch the yarn and the wire together. Wrap yarn around the wire for 8 or 9 times. Then bend it in half. Twist the wire to create a small loop. Wrap yarn around the whole wire. In the end, you may wrap yarn around the 2 separate wires like how I did in the video. Or you can just make a knot. Cut off the extra yarn. We finished! Make 4 or 5 stamens for 1 flower. Part 3. Leaf. First, we need to cut a piece of 25 cm wire. Put it aside. Take out the green yarn. Make a slip knot first. Then, chain 21. This is our foundation chain. Work into the second chain from the hook. Put the wire on. Make a single crochet first. Then make a half double crochet in the next chain. Make 16 double crochet stitches. After you finish, there should be 2 chains left. Half double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the last chain. Put the loop up. Let's stop and adjust the wire here. Bend the wire in half. Then put the hook back. Chain 1. Work into these 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through. Make a slip stitch. Work back into the last chain again and make another single crochet. We are going to work into the stitches of the other side of the chain. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Then, make 16 double crochets. After that, half double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the last stitch. Slip stitch in the first stitch. Fasten it off. Weave in the yarn ends. We finished the leaf. Part 4. Assembling. You can just make a single flower. Or you can also make a cluster of flowers, which I am going to do in the video. First, we need to prepare 2 pieces of branch. The longer one is about 20 centimeters, and the shorter one is about 10 centimeters. For the short one, it will be used as the side branch. Let's assemble with the short branch first. Take out the stamens. Hold them with the top of the branch together. The stamens should be about 2 centimeters higher than the branch. Take out the green yarn. Tie them together. Make a knot. Break the yarn. Take out the petals. Hold the wire of the petals to the branch. The right side should face inside. Use yarn to tie them together. Wrap yarn around the whole branch. When there is 1 centimeter left, apply some glue on the branch. Wrap yarn on it. Cut off the extra yarn. Adjust the shape of petals and stamens. We finished assembling a flower. Crochet another flower and repeat the previous assembling part with the long branch. Tie the side branch to it at an appropriate position while wrapping branch. Add the leaf to the branch too. Wrap yarn around the whole branch. Apply some glue at the end of the branch. Break the yarn. We finished!